Traders, it's Anthony here. I'm looking at the US30 on the monthly time frame. We've got this move here, and the current month, we've got this green pin bar candle. Now, if we pull the Fibonacci from the high here down to the low, a retrace back into this 50% level at least wouldn't surprise me, and it coincides with this high. We've got this high, and if we look back, we can see multiple touches around this level here. A move back up into here sounds feasible. Let's just have a look at this now on the weekly, and then we'll run down the time frames and get a little bit closer to the action. So that's the monthly. We've got the weekly. I've marked up these weekly lows over here. Now we've traded under, and we're retesting these lows. It's bullish here. However, we've run into some resistance. Now we'll go down to the daily time frame, just getting a bit of a perspective from the higher time frame. So what we've got on the daily, clearly we can see this change of character here, shift in gears, bullish break. This is not a break of structure yet, in my opinion. A break of structure, I would like to see this candle here taken out, and then that would convince me that this is going to head north with a vengeance. At the moment, we've just got a bit of a change in the trend. This move here, a couple of bullish candles. Again, if we were to grab a Fibonacci, looking at this rally here, Fib retrace from low to high, it would make sense to me that we get, and if this is going to be bullish, then a move back down into this zone, this 50 to the 618, would make a lot of sense to me. At the moment, this is currently overextended. I mean, look at these levels here. See back in here, we've got these the candle bodies. We can pull that through there, call that a weekly, daily, I should say. So we've got this daily, weekly resistance, and it coincides with, see this candle here, this green candle, high and low? This is a distribution level on the daily time frame. And now we're trading back into that. So that's a key level. So I'm thinking that we might see, if this is going to remain bullish, we should see possibly some kind of a move back down into here. Why I say that? Well, it's overextended. It's run into, and look, if I'm smart money, and I'm not, but if you've got a lot of capital, huge amounts of capital to move, you're not going to enter long up here. That's not where you buy. You're buying down in here. You've made this run. You've probably got sell orders sitting up around here. We can see a little bit of a candle wick showing above here. And it would make sense to me that smart money attacks liquidity, resting under here, these stops. I mean, we've got bullish traders here, retail, stop losses galore under here, and that's ripe for the picking. My thinking takes me back down into here, and then possibly we see it move on. So with that idea, and look, I'm always looking for an entry point on the lower time frame, but I'm going to get my bearings on these higher time frames, as that's where institutional traders, the big guns, are going to plan their trades. So personally, I like this balance area back down in here. I'm just going to mark this up with this, and we'll just call that a balance area. Well, it's kind of rebalanced. It's traded back into it already. But this accumulation through here, it pushes up. Let's have a look at it on the 4H now, and get a bit closer to it. Now, this makes a lot of sense. So we've got equal lows under here, more or less. It creates liquidity under. It taps into it, takes out liquidity, sell-side liquidity. We get this strong rally and another one. Okay, two strong rallies, pull back, strong rally. And I'm looking for more of the same. So we've got a retrace. There you go. I would pull the shaded zone through here. I'm going to call that my 4-hour accumulation range, and I'll be looking for an entry point long. And you could counter trend, you could short that, and then I'm looking for a buy opportunity down in this level here. We'll do something like that, but I'm not convinced that this is going to continue. I want to see this high taken out here. That would be key for me. If that gets taken out, then it's off to the races. So let's consider the possibility. This is hypothetical, something like that. Why I say that? Because we've got this monthly level up here. We've got these highs over here. Oh, this is a 4 hour. I should go to the higher time frame and find a target. Bear with me for a sec. We'll just go out to the daily. I just want to see what we got here. All right, so we've got a bit of a target here. See this high here? That would be a target for me on the daily. And I would say that this is definitely going to attack liquidity above here and head into this monthly level, most likely, if it continues up. So we see the retrace. I want to see the pullback. I want to see it rotate, and then we get a series of higher highs and higher lows. And yeah, I mean, this is my target area up in here. But that would be my buy zone. Okay, guys, I mean, that more or less wraps it up. Make sure you click the link below and jump on board with us. We've got a Telegram group and there's lots of other things going on. Have a look. And with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.